In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a Slack conversation. We'll start right inside Slack and walk through the exact clicks needed along with a few helpful notes so you know what each screen is doing and why it matters. First, open Slack and make sure you're in the correct workspace. On the left sidebar, head to Direct Messages. This is where your one-to-one and small group DMs live. Open the conversation you want to expand into a group by clicking it in the list. With the conversation open, click into the message box to activate the thread and type a quick greeting to confirm everything is working as expected. Next, look for the three dots menu in the conversation header. Click that to reveal more options. You may see an option to move conversation. This relates to organizing where the conversation appears in your sidebar, not who can see it. If prompted, choose a destination like Start or Public, or create a new section to keep things tidy. Creating a section is just a way to group conversations for easier navigation. If you're creating a new section, pick a suggested name or type your own, then proceed with Create and Add Channels. If you're asked to pick channels for that section right now, you can select Skip and handle that later. None of these choices changes who can access the conversation. They simply keep your sidebar organized so you can find things faster. Return to your conversation in the sidebar and select it again so you're back in the DM. Open the three dots menu once more. This time, choose Create Channel. You're about to convert this one-to-one chat into a dedicated channel where you can add more people. Give the channel a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize. Click Next to continue. Now choose the privacy level. Select Private, only specific people. Keeping it private is ideal when you're adding just a few teammates to continue an existing discussion without sharing it broadly. Click Create to make the channel. Slack will immediately prompt you to add people. Click into the search field and select the first teammate you want to include. Start typing another teammate's name to find and select them as well. When you've chosen everyone you want to add right now, click Add. You'll see the new members appear in the channel details and in the conversation itself. To confirm, click a newly added teammate's name from the channel to view their profile and verify they're in the channel. At this point, your original conversation has a proper home and the right people are included. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Naming matters. Pick a concise channel name that reflects the topic or team so future searches are easier. If you're collaborating on something sensitive, keeping the channel private is the right call. You can always change the channel's description to add context without exposing anything confidential. If you don't see the option to create a channel or to add certain people, your workspace permissions may limit those actions. A workspace admin can adjust that. And if someone doesn't appear in search, they may not be in your workspace yet and will need to be invited by an admin. Remember, the earlier step about moving conversations or creating sections only affects how your sidebar is arranged. It doesn't change membership or visibility. Your new private channel is where membership is controlled and the add button finalizes who can participate. If you need to add more people later, you can always return to the channel, open the member list, and add them from there. That's it. You've opened your DM, organized it if needed, created a private channel from that conversation, and added the right teammates so the discussion can continue in one focused place.